Hello there, 5th grade math friends. This is chapter 14.2, which is all about cylinders, spheres, and cones. Let's dive right in. Let's begin by looking at cylinders. A cylinder has two circular flat surfaces, or bases, that are congruent and parallel. Remember, congruent means that they're the same size and the same shape. There is also one curved surface that joins the two bases. A cylinder has no edges and no vertices. A cylinder does have one curved surface. However, a prism and a pyramid do not have any curved surfaces. That's the major difference between these two 3D shapes. The net of a cylinder would look like this. Pretty unique, isn't it? You can see how there's the one flat surface that gets rolled around the two circular bases to make the column. I think of it as a can. And here are your first two practice problems. For number 1, name the parts of the cylinder. And for number 2, please explain why the object in number 1 is a cylinder. Tell me which rules it meets so that we can call it a cylinder. Press pause while you work, and when you come back, we'll take a look at spheres. A sphere has a smooth, curved surface. It has no edges and no vertices. It's the same distance across at any line that goes through its center. It has no flat surfaces at all, and thus there is no net of a sphere. And for practice, please explain why each of these solid figures is not a sphere. Now let's take a look at cones. A cone has one circular flat surface or base and a single curved surface. It has one vertex. The bases of a cylinder and a cone are not polygons. The bases of a prism and a pyramid are polygons. That is the major difference between cylinders and cones and prisms and pyramids. And let's finish up chapter 14.2 with these practice problems. In number 5, name the parts of the cone. In number 6, explain why each figure is not a cone. That actually wraps up chapter 14 for us. I hope you've had fun exploring 3D shapes.